a grand international seminar to commemorate the Silver Centenary of the most learned Islamic scholar from Indian subcontinent, Syed-ul-Ulema Allama Syed Ali Naqi, also known as Naqqan Sahab, and as Syed-ul-Ulema to the world, YADGAR-E-HUSAINI, an organization founded by Syed-ul-Ulema himself more than 75 years ago, is organizing a grand international seminar to commemorate the Silver Centenary of the most learned Islamic scholar from Indian subcontinent from 6th April to 8th April 2014 at Lucknow. For any further information, contact Aziz Haider Naqi at 9810661830 or 9565772492 or Syed Irfan Agha at 9335811113 or 96707 55555 or Shadab Hussain at 9956 954341, or you can email at YADGAR-E-HUSAINI@gmail.com, that is YADGAREHUSAINI@gmail.com, or you can write to camp offices in Delhi and Lucknow at Aziz Haider Naqi, C16, New Bridgepuri, New Delhi 110051, or Syed Irfan Agha, Taj Plaza, opposite Krishi Bhavan, Madan Mohan Malviya Marg, Hazratganj, Lucknow.